What's happening, everyone? JP here from Crypto Hobby. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Wanted to make a quick update video on the Electroneum mobile mining app and just let you guys know where I stand on that. I started doing the mobile mining on February 1st, so it's been about 2 weeks. Today's the 16th. So I'm going to get into that and also get into the update of Electroneum being listed on KuCoin, which was announced recently, and that's exciting news. So, but first I want to just remind you to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and comment if you have something to say in the videos. It helps out the channel a lot, and we like to share our experiences and our information as much as we can. So anyway, let's get right to it. So the mobile mining has been running for 2 weeks, and they changed it up a little bit. It looks like they've been doing some updates and different things to it. My hash rate is still around 21 hashes per second. The highest I've seen it is 24, so I just don't think it goes much higher than that on mine anyway. And so this is during the testing period too, so you never know what's going to happen. My pending balance, it did go over 5. They said they were going to transfer when it hit 5, it would be transferred over to a wallet, but that might not be during the beta testing stages. That might be when it's released to the public and everyone's using it. Then maybe when it hits 5, every time it hits 5 Electroneum ETNs, they'll transfer it right into your wallet. That's probably what it is. Active miners, I see it fluctuate between sometimes it's as low as 800 or 900. Sometimes I see it at about 6,000. It seems like so it goes up and down. But they are pretty sure that they're standing by the fact that, you know, once there's many miners on this thing, 15,000, 20,000 miners, maybe more, that you're going to be earning quite a few more ETNs every day. So this, you know, just have to keep in mind, this is a testing period only, so they're just trying to work out all the bugs. So it's pretty good. I haven't noticed any substantial usage of my data or my battery either. So so all is well. I don't have anything bad to report about that. I'm very happy with it. So also today, I believe it was today, on their Facebook page, Electroneum announced that they were going to be listed on KuCoin next week, I believe. So if you don't know what KuCoin is, it's an exchange much like Binance, but smaller and probably a lot more easy to use. So, you know, if you're just starting out in cryptocurrency, it might not be a bad place to go because it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward to use it. And you know, Binance isn't hard either, but that's one of the benefits of KuCoin, I think. And sometimes you can find better deals on KuCoin when the coins get listed because it's a smaller platform. We can take a look and see. Let's see, coin market cap is over. Where is it? Lost it. There it is. Coin market cap. So if we look at the markets that are listed right now, Cryptopia, Cryptos, Trade Ogre, and then KuCoin is going to be listed down here also. So that's good. That's great. That means Electroneum's on the ball, and they're you know, this project has not been around that long, you know, so they're hustling. I mean, there are much older altcoins and cryptocurrencies out there that still aren't listed on exchanges and aren't making the effort that Electroneum is to get on these exchanges. So that's very refreshing. The team is always active, and they're always pushing the project forward. So that's a great thing. And you can see the coin is up a little bit today. Almost 8 cents, so we expect that's going to go much higher. And then also, as I just showed you a second ago, the Mobile World Congress is coming up on February 26th. So that's going to be a great thing. Richard Ells, the CEO of Electroneum, is going to be there, and he's going to be the only crypto guy speaking, from what I understand. There's going to be some very large companies there, the biggest in mobile technologies, and so they're going to be there, and he's going to be addressing them. So that's going to be one to keep an eye on also. That's going to help out a lot when he gets the word out there and starts making even more partnerships. There's going to be a lot on the horizon with this coin. I see it going very far. I think it's going to do very well. So if you're not already hooked up with them on Facebook or Telegram, it's another good place to keep in touch with what's going on. I would go ahead and do that, and then you can kind of, be on top of it when these messages come out. Oops, I'll go back here. So again, I will definitely keep you posted, though, as we progress through this thing, and let you know what's going on. Anybody has any questions or comments, just feel free to leave them below. And just wanted to make a quick update, quick video, just to let you guys know what was going on with that. And just as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to share my experiences and my knowledge and what I learn as I go through this. I'll share it with you, and then hopefully, we can all make better decisions. And so anyway, I appreciate everything, and like the video if you like it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.